Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert date in Excel. Guys, there is a many ways to insert date in Excel. So I will show you two, three, or five. So as per your requirement, you can use it. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comment below. So let's start with the video. So I just get blank one. So first enter month, date, and year. You can see this is date format. Just right click on, just go to the format cell and just select date, and here you can see this is a sample. I just first is the date, middle is the month, and last is the okay year. So you can select as per your requirement. I just select like this and just click OK. You can see first date, middle month, or last is the year. Okay, so now you have to just enter the date. Now you have to select all format, all cell, go to format cell and go to the date, and here you can select the format and just click it. And now when you enter anything like this, okay, okay. So second is the month, so it will become like format. If you want to drop down or copy the same format of data in down arrow, down row. If you want to insert or you want to follow the same date like 11 Feb to 2020, if you want to down, you want to copy the same date format, like just hold this corner by your mouse and just scroll down. The date will be copy like 12, 13, 14. Okay, so this date will be copied to all row. It is next date, we can see. Okay, that is how you can insert date in Excel. Okay, if you want to pick a date or you want to calendar, so you can go to the development mode. If you don't have development mode, you just go to the any tab, just right click, just add, and just go to the customer ribbon, and here in left side you have to find developer option. I already add my developer option, so you can't see here. Just select the developer option from D section and just add it and go to the OK, and developer option will add here. It will see here. Now you have to go in. Okay, go again, go to developer option, click on adding. Under the add-ins, now the one mini calendar you have to download. Go to the store, or here you have to find the date picker. Just search it. You have to add this. Click on that, then it will be automatically add here. Okay, now you have to open it, then the one calendar will be open. So from here also you can select the date like this. Just select the sale, select the month, select the date as you wish. Okay, and after work completed, just click on it, just click on this arrow and delete it. The calendar will be disappear. If you want to work again, go to the developer option again, go to the add-in. This time the already you have installed this, just open it and you can start work. So that is how you can insert date in Excel. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.